Hello, students. What if I tell you that you don't have to remember formulas from geometry? You can make your own formulas if you learn mathematics or geometry the right way. Yes, you don't have to remember, memorize anything. Learn mathematics in a right way so that you can make your own formulas even during the exam time. Okay, so for that, you have to understand the concepts. Today, we're talking about two simple things: perimeter and area. What is a perimeter? First, you have to understand what is a perimeter. Perimeter means boundary. That's all. You just have to remember one thing: perimeter means boundary. And what do you mean by area? Area means the space, the the space it a shape occupies. Okay, space occupied. This is a simple way I would like you to remember. Okay, what do I mean by this? Now, here we are seeing a square and a rectangle. Okay, square and a rectangle is there, and which is the boundary? Which is the boundary? This is the boundary, right? This is the blue color is the boundary. So, if we can measure this blue color, that we will call it as perimeter. Now, what is the area? Area means something which is inside the space covered here. That, the red color thing, that is the area. These are the two concepts you have to understand. Similarly, for rectangle, what's the area? What is covered inside this red color one? That will be the area. And what will be the perimeter we're talking about? Perimeter means it is only the outside boundary. You understand these two concepts. Perimeter is boundary and area is the space occupied inside it. Then what happens? You can find the formula for any shape on your own. You don't have to remember anything. Okay, so let's start. How to find the perimeter of a square? We know the perimeter means boundary. So, what is the quality of a square? All the sides are same length. So, we will call this one side. We will call this one side as S. Then, surely the other side also, this side and this side and this side, all these sides also will be S, 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 right? Will be same, because you see, just count and see. We are having 7 here, 7 boxes on this side, 7 box here, 7 box here, 7 box here. All the sides are same. So now I said boundary, only the blue color. One. So basically the perimeter will be S plus S plus S plus S 4 times. What do we know? Whenever we are adding the same thing 4 times, we can say it as 4 times S. And that will be the perimeter of a square. See, you found your own formula. Let's do the same thing for a rectangle. Again, we're talking about the perimeter. Perimeter means what? All the boundaries. Now, the rectangle has two different things. So, if this is called as a breadth and if this is called as a length, we know this, the length and has the opposite side also, which is the same length, and breadth has the opposite side, which is the same breadth. So we know that the boundary of the rectangle, what all it has? The boundary, the perimeter of a rectangle, what all it has? It has length plus this length plus breadth plus this length plus this breadth. What happens? There are L plus L, 2 times L, right? 2 L's are there and 2 B's are there. That's all. You found your own formula. Now in school you might have learned 2 bracket L plus B. Either this or this, whichever you apply, you're going to get the same answer. Only the thing is, 2L plus 2B means you would have made your own formula. You're not memorizing it. So this you can remember very nicely and very easily. So we finished the perimeter of a square and a rectangle. Now let's talk about the area. Area means, what did I tell you? It is the space inside, right? Now, space inside means we have to see, let's say if we have taken, small boxes. This square is made up of small boxes. Each box is, say, 1 centimeter in length, okay? So 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, like that. So what happens? What happens? This is called a unit square. One small square is there here. So basically, how many boxes are there? How many boxes are there in this square? That's the area for us now. How can we figure out? Now, when we are saying the side is S, that means in this row there will be S number of boxes. In this row again there will be S number of boxes. Same way. S number of boxes, S number of boxes, S number of boxes. Like that, how many rows will be there? Because here is also S, that means S columns will be there and S rows will be there. Now just let's take the same example and understand. Say in this square, we have how many rows we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows we have. And how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 columns we have. Now, if we see how many boxes are there, if we count this 1, 2, 3, like that, if we count, what will happen? You will find 49 boxes are there inside this. That means what? S number of rows, right? S number of rows and S number of columns. If you multiply them, you're getting the 49 boxes inside. That is 7 into 7 is 49. So the area of the square is S into S. Now let's go to the area of a rectangle. Now, the rectangle, as we know, now how many rows are there? There is 7 rows. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 columns are there. 11 columns are there. Now just like in the square, to find the number of boxes, we multiply the rows and the columns. Correct? Row was 7, column was 7. We multiplied it, we got the number of boxes. Just like that, even for rectangle, how many rows we have? 7. How many columns we have? 11. When we multiply the row and column, we will come to know how many boxes are there. So, again here, area will be row into column. That is 7 into 11. 7 means what? It is the length. 11 means what? It is the breadth. So, with this, what you could do, you could find your own area of the rectangle, which is length into breadth. This technique can be used to find area of anything, a cuboid, a cube, whatever, anything. Understand the concept and make your own formulas in your exams. So you don't have to panic. You don't have to depend on your memory. You can depend upon your understanding and make your own formulas and excel in mathematics. I hope this helps you. If you like this video, like it. And if it's going to help your friends, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can know many more tricks and become excellent in mathematics. That's what I wish for you. Thank you very much for watching. See you. Bye bye.